Generator pa forward. So while you go, ato lang avoid na ato nga always ta mag-step o brake ha. You will listen, not always step the brake. If you step the brake once only, one, then release one, then release. Because if you double tap the brake, it turning into reverse mode, no? Mo reverse siya, atras. And then if the go-kart will reverse, this right side, you release the right side, and then double tap again the brake, like this. One, two. Okay? Drive lang dahil. Focus lang sa drive ha.
Careful lang sa...
9号平衡车提醒您，骑行前请佩戴头盔护具。9号平衡车提醒您，骑行前请佩戴头盔护具。
Siyempre, go. Go, go.
Okay, go. Ay,
Okay,
babay.
listen, slowly, step back. Slowly, slowly.
Slowly lang.
Slowly.
Oh, init kayo.
Ito balik, ha? Hindi na lang.
Sage, diba?
Ha?
Sage.
Sinayara pag kuha niyo manabila kaya mag-swing-swing ka.
Very good, Lance.
Hindi na. Hindi isa.
Hindi kayo isa.
Ang break mali.
Relax, forward.
Okay.
Wait, 3 laps, last round.
Mauma na lang yung kauban siya pa.
Sa muling rival nila magkapanakat.
Last round.
Lamapsan na siya.
Last round, baby, last round. Kaya down na, kaya down. Slowly. Okay, break. Buhay lang daw katin.
Break. Ay, sa pulo. Yan lang saka. Okay na. Asa yung parking?
Dugay kay kabot ang gamay.
Forward.
Pa siya isa kalaps. Pa isa kalap, Lance.
Sige na ay.
Lagyan. Kaya down.
One last pa daw, sir.
Yes, 55 rounds, maybe.
Hindi siya 150 na. 150 na.
Lana, here. Lance, dali, here.
Hindi
Here.
po kita brake left side. Step the brake, okay, forward.
Alright.
Good, forward. Now step the brake. Okay, very good.
Wow, thank you, Lance.